Hey everyone. I get so many questions about how to do flat lays. Like I use flat lays a lot in my Instagram stories, and here's just a couple of examples how you can do it. So we're gonna use my living room sofa table, coffee table. So you want to gather any sort of textures. By textures, what I mean, you may want to look at blankets, pillows, things like that around your house, and even items of clothing like denim is really great to use. So I'll just show you how I would lay out the picture on the screen here in just 1 second. So I love this particular blanket a lot. So we can kind of play with that, use that for the one side. If we go with a pink theme, I could literally even show a little bit of the pillow. So we're gonna use this month's promo products. These are the ones that people get for free when they join within the first 10 days. So let's make them all cozy here. And of course, we'll use filters and things like that after, which won't be on this video, but I'll be editing this later with LightRoom. So it's gonna look all cute and just better lighting and everything. So there's that. I always tend to like to use a sprig of eucalyptus. We can kind of put that one in here somewhere. And so this could be one of them. So if you imagine the picture kind of going from here to about here, that's what's gonna be kind of on your picture. And just some other variations. Let's see how we can kind of snazzy it up a little bit. So instead of using this guy here, we could add something a little bit different here. The eye cream, if you want, you could always open it up. It's like not the prettiest color, so, but normally, you know, if it's a product like one of our masks, which is crisp and white, I would actually open this up and maybe put the lid kind of sideways like that. With this one, I will actually keep it closed because I forgot what color it was. So again, you can do something like that. You can, you know, if you have any sort of like signs, I'm big when it comes to signs. I could even put this one somewhere here. This almost seems like too much, but this looks pretty good. So that gives you a little bit of an idea of how you can do things. Just give me a second. I'll see what else I can. So like scarves work really, really well for that as well. This one has kind of similar pink tones, so you could even play around with something like that. Mess it up a little bit. And do your flat lay over there. So just imagine all of this will be cut out. So you're just kind of creating a little bit of a canvas. Oh, I forgot it had some fringe. So like even this one could kind of play into it. So literally, you guys, it just takes a little bit of playing around. And sometimes adding in even like little pieces like your personal accessories, like your pair of earrings. You could do something like that as well, just to give people sort of a vibe of, okay, what you're using today and what you're wearing today. You could put a watch beside it. I didn't bring any of those things down, but it kind of gives you an idea of what you can do with just items from around your house, and to make your Instagram and even Facebook feed look super pretty. So I hope that this is helpful.